All right, here we are. Let's start. Uh, After yesterday, the system was hung up. Now we are here. I hope you can hear my voice nice and easy, and I hope that my system gonna be working fine. So there will be no more stuck and hung up feelings with me and my system. Okay. Let's get started. This is our screen. What are we seeing? We are seeing a 5 minute candle has finished bullish one. Two of them 5 minute candle. Okay. So basically the trade is at 15 minutes right now. I'm thinking that this current 15-minute candle if turns to red, then I'm gonna enter with a stop loss above the wick. Simple trade. Yes, that's it. So I'm gonna keep my risk on and let's see if I'll be able to do something with today. Hopefully. Of course, it's not a very good idea to go short here. People would say long, but my setup says that the second candle does not have any business to go up if it turns to red. And there are 8 minutes to 15, so that means at any point of time, this candle would try to go down. And that would be my stop loss. So we're at the 53rd candle. From here only this candle should go up, but I'm looking for early entry. So I might just let's see. Okay, so my system is hanging then or what? It's not responding the way it should respond quick. Yeah, my system will be late again. There. Yeah, there's a delay of there's a delay of at least 1 second. Cannot afford to do that. Why there's a delay? All right, let's reduce the position size because there is a delay. You can see the delay is like almost 3 seconds now. Oh damn. So maybe God tells me not to take this shot, not to take this shot. So maybe not gonna continue to do the thing, but I need to see that 5 minute has closed red. The next 5 minute candle would try to go back up and go down, would be red, and then this candle 15 minutes would try to go down with the help of that 5 minute candle. That was this half an hour will be closing it down, and this 1 hour would continue to just push itself towards downside because even we're gonna get the next you know this system is still speaking. Is it just because of the YouTube feed? Because just before that it was working fine. So 5 minutes has closed red, and this is the point where I should just start going down. Now I've entered the position and I have not got my lines. That's the very sad part. So my stop loss is just above this close. Like this 5 minute candle should not turn to green. So I'll just push my partial stop loss above it. Right here is my partial stop loss. The value would be shown in some time $31. So I'll just keep it in the look. Just this much. Yeah. Actually, you know what? Yeah, it's very slow, very, very slow. So my auto thing has already picked in. It has shifted my partial stop loss to 1. Then I don't need my actual manual partial stop loss. I'll take that off. Now my risk is off from 300 is to $30. My profit is for 123. I would be just closing maybe half year at this support. My diagonal support is still away though, and I'm expecting this continuation down for the next 1 minute as well. I'm hoping it should continue down and not just return from here. If this 1 minute candle tries to go green, I have to book half position. I really don't want to do that because the context is really right. It would go down all the way, and if it turns green, half is out. If it goes up, I'll push my stop loss to entry. Yeah, press the button. It has not shifted till now. Wow, now it's shifted. Little late. Don't like my things to be late, but yeah, whatever. So now we see we have 3 more minutes. 3 minutes means I can get pull back up, this turns into green, and it continues its way up. The whole thing will try to go bullish from there. But if it wants to do something, so there is half an hour for first to half an hour to finish in this way, like creating a weekend and finish. The next half an hour should continue down. That is my idea because the 4 hours interview is about to start. So this candle is still confused where to go and what to do. And I think it should come down. That's the support here. So let's see. If it's try to go up, I'll book another half. But usually you just go up to take the momentum. Now you're gonna push down. 1 minute candle. You're gonna push down, then push down. If not, let me up. Okay, 1 minute candle is going with a very small body up. So I'm still waiting for the body was really small. Now this candle is the 58th candle. This can be the directional move to the downside because this is actually a failure of up move. After having a support, you did not like you given a follow through, but you did not give the momentum. So the next candle will try to go and look below your low. And when you try to look below your low, you might just use the impulse pullback, impulse structure to push down because the support is down, green area is down, context is down, and everything is down. So you don't have to book my position if this candle is red. But yeah, it would have been better if it would have given the momentum straight away as well to go down. That did not come. I was expecting that. Maybe now it's gonna come because it has made a hook as well. Let's see if that happens. 58 candle also did not give the momentum. Now we're just left with only 1 minute. Now that 1 minute, because it's 15 minutes says it closed in here, should continue down. But next half an hour candle can go up and down both. Ideally, the direction is still down, okay? So, but just because the candle has to look a bit, so if it's gonna wick up, it would take me out of my position. So hence, I think I should be just taking a little bit of more profit. I think. Let's see how the candle closes. If it closes red, then I have the expectation that the next half an hour candle starts straight away pushing down. But if this closes green, that would be not a very good idea. So then I have to think of something. So this is not the reversal, so most of it, the next candle of 1 minute can just wake up, look above this, but then completely comes down if this does not do anything stupid. This candle. And it is doing something stupid. That's it. So it's closing. We have gapped up into the 1 minute candle, and now we're gonna push down. Yeah, that gap up was empty. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah. So over here, 15 minute has rigged up, and now it should just fill the whole gap, fill the whole, rejection. So the 15 minute can put in the rejection. So you would try to go and see what lies there on this support. And the 5 minute is experiencing the support again to be tested. So this time it would break. I will get another $82 profit first and then 180. So that is the idea for the trade to go and give me maybe 180 plus 82, almost $200 more on that 100. My stop loss would be just at $1. I would make it like at entry only. And let's see if that works now. Yesterday, the buttons were not working and I missed out on a 1300 pips move of long. Oh, damn. That was such a thing. So yeah, I'll just now start pushing from partials. 4 seconds later, the partial comes imaginary. So that's not a very good idea. I think it's when you repeat, my system is not supporting me to repeat. Um, I don't know. What's it? I'm shifting my stop loss down and it's moving very slow. It's just showing me that it's shifted on the sound, but it's not shifted in actuality. I have to do it manually or what? Come on, show me. So another like 100, it's going to give me $82 over here somewhere. I'll be just cautious that it should not come above any 1 minute candle. There should be a momentum thing now. It, the only way this trade can exist is not by being sideways, just by being in momentum. So I would rather just put my trading stop loss at break even. Yeah, I put my trading stop loss at the previous candle of 1 minute. It even working. Yeah, it's working very slowly. So it's better that I put it in advance. Wow, and it's got hit. Yeah, it's got hit. Position above. Year off. If you're off, why we're still seeing these lines? Thank you. That's the sad part of keeping 1 minute stop loss because it can hit very quickly because of a small gap. But then, yeah, it can give stupid things right now, even some like consolidation. It should just continuously go down. So yeah, my system is again today. My E is a little bit slow. I think it's because of that. That's why I just got 50 pips at advisor. It has been a great trade of almost $200 more after my almost, yeah, the song is coming now. It's very delayed. No, we don't want anything. Thank you. We don't want any. Cool. So this is it for this trade. It was a quick trade. I just got to see. I was not in the mood to take the trade after yesterday, but I thought this is very much visible, so you should take it. All right. How many pips is it? Let's just see that as well. This is 67 pips. It's aimed for 130 or 150 pips more, but whatever. We can use aim for